Kruger Blessing. It's your boy Papa Beast and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today guys, we're gonna keep it nice and smooth, nothing hectic. It's gonna be a short video. What we're gonna be busy with, basically it's actually you guys being behind the scenes of me just studying, reading the market, studying more about the market, jotting down some notes and doing some journals. So it's just gonna be like a young thing, yeah. So today we're just gonna do a young video. As I said, I'm just gonna be in front of the charts, explain. You know, guys, if you want to do something in this world, just make sure that you specialize in that thing. Do as much research and as much grasp in so much knowledge that you'll be able to maneuver around whenever you go through challenges. You know that, oh, okay, this is what I can do next and all sorts. And then obviously what really matters is putting down the work, because putting time, that nobody can take that away from you. You understand? Like putting time will actually like develop you, master the skill, like sharpen your sword in order for you to actually slice them all we want. But anyways guys, today earlier on, I think like an hour ago or 2 hours ago, I was actually checking the market. As I said guys, I was just super tired. I didn't really think about picking up the camera, but I thought, you know what, let me just pick up the camera. And actually we got a trade that I took, which I'm going to show you guys. As I said, today's video is going to be short, straight to the point. Let me stop yapping and let's go straight to it. Let's go. So as you guys can see, we took a nice trade over there. So what I'll quickly do is that I'm just quickly going to jump on the desktop and screen record so you guys can actually see how I analyzed, and yeah, and after that's when I'll start getting straight to the studying, and when that goes, I'll somewhat update you guys about the trade. But yeah, let's just get straight to it and let's go. So yeah guys, I just quickly decided, you know what, since we're here, let me just quickly show you the trade that I took. Yeah, you know guys, we on gold. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys will be able to see over there, I'm actually currently running on 900 rand profit so far. Not bad. As we can see already there, it's continuously moving down. So yeah, with this trade, if you guys saw yesterday's vlog or video, I did say that the market will actually continue pushing down to a specific level, but what we actually mostly interested in is for the buys. So I thought that it will get triggered by yesterday, the market would start falling from yesterday. So it didn't happen. So that's the whole thing about forex, guys, is that not everything that you see is execution is not always there for you. You need to wait for execution. You need to wait for those specific trades. You can't always find a perfect trade every single day. So I guess with this, that's why we lost some of the monies yesterday, because the market was undecisive. The market was moving up and down. So I would say yes, that was my issue, because I didn't react from the market. I'm being honest to myself. So anyways, waking up today, I started up on the daily time frame. What I saw is that we actually had a CISD on this level over here. What that means is basically we had a body enclosure underneath that low. So that also gave me an indication that, okay, we have more bias to the downside. And another thing that I noticed on the daily time frame is that we have fair value gaps below, and at the same time we've got this lows over here, you know, sell side liquidity. So in order for us to actually go for buys, we need to go down first. So in this case, I was anticipating for the market to come sweep out the sell side liquidity before pushing up, but I needed a location where now I would see that the market is more drawn to, so that we can now start looking for our buys. So in this case, what I was looking at, it was this fair value gap over here. However, I can also see we have this fair value gap, which is the candle that closed above this high over here. So what I've done is that on a higher time frame, I marked out both fair value gaps as one thing, somewhat like that. So this is now my point of interest for buys. So I was like, okay, if that's the case, let me look for some sales. so that I can sell off into my point of interest, because you know it's a good sum of monies that's hanging there. So went to the 4 hour. 4 hour, what I saw is this. I saw this inverse fair value gap, which is a fair value gap that was taken out with this engulfing bearish candlestick. So I marked out that. I marked it out like that. Then when I noticed is that this inverse fair value gap corresponds with this fair value gap here. So I can move it like that. So what I saw is the market playing in the fair value gap and not actually breaking above. We're actually respecting this fair value gap in an hour time frame. So let's go to H1. H1, you can still see that we're respecting this fair value gap. Then I think it was on 30 minutes where I saw something. Let me just double check. All right, yeah, it was on 15. So I also marked this fair value gap over here on the 15 minutes. Alrighty. So when the market started pushing up, this was yesterday, we created this high over here, right? And as you can see, we swept out all the buy liquidities, tapped in the fair value gap over here, and this is why now we started seeing the market actually tumbling. So what I was waiting for is for a confirmation that are we actually pushing to the downside. So my confirmation was the break of this low over here, right? And obviously seeing that we're respecting the fair value gap, and I see the impulsiveness to the downside. In fact, one of them, actually, I'm lying. This was one of this is the main candle that actually now gave me an indication as well. Is because we broke lower than this low here, which creates also the CISD. Let me just mark it out. Right, so we got an impulse move to the downside. I saw that we broke below, and we broke below also here, right? And after breaking below here, what I saw is the market retesting this fair value gap here, the 15 minutes fair value gap, right? As soon as it tapped the fair value gap, I saw the market dropping, and I was waiting for the market to actually break below this low over here. Then once I saw that, that's where now I had to dig deeper and look for fair value gaps for us that we can sell from, right? Then what I noticed is that we have this inverse fair value gap and this one over here. So I firstly marked it out like this, saying that the market will come test this fair value gap and push down from there, but I had to refine my fair value gap. So how did I refine it? Is that when I saw this fair value gap here on the left, I looked to the right and I saw that we have a fair value gap over here as well. And another thing that I used for confirmation that this fair value gap is stronger, and because you know some people will actually use this one here. And I'll answer why I didn't use this one. You see, some people could have used this one, right? But the reason why I didn't use it is because of this. So I used my Fibonacci tool. I marked out the low to the high. So I marked it out like that. So anything I would only enter if we're going to get to discount price. So right now, because we're selling, the market is in premium. So the only time I'll be able to sell here is whenever we're above 50%. So this another confirmation is that we're above 50%, which is on discount price for selling. And number two is that we're in our fair value gap. Now, if I used this fair value gap, you see, I could have been stopped out. Because now if I entered here, I'm below that 50%. So I could have got the spike, get stopped out, then lose my account. So that's why I didn't use this fair value gap, but use this one above. So because this one is above 50%, and number two, it corresponds with this fair value gap over here. Number three is from this impulsive move to the downside. So this impulsive move to the downside is the one that created or caused this fair value gaps to be cancelled out. So this is why I used this fair value gap here. So let me just remove some of the stuff so we don't get confused. So yeah, once the market tapped in the fair value gap, that's when I entered for sales, used my stop loss here. So I can see that we broke below here now. What I can actually do is move my stop loss closer. So now I'll put it above the fair value gap or this high over here. What I can do, let's see how much. Oh, okay, wait. Let me do this first. Yeah. Because I want to see what's the ratio right now. Oh, sorry. Okay, 1:1. All right, cool. So I'm not going to take any profit. Wait, I can actually take some profit because now look, if we have to look to the left, we took out this sell side liquidity and this one as well. So what I'll do, I'll close one position. Oh, I opened a 0.2, so I'll only close 0.01 and leave the other half running and just move my stop loss to entry. That's what I'm going to do. Then wait for it to hit our TP. So let me just quickly do that. Done. So now, as you can see, our stop loss is in entry right now. So yeah, guys, that was a beautiful trade. A lovely one. Really lovely trade. So I'll keep you guys posted and see if we going to hit our take profit or not. But for now, we're good. We closed half of our positions, and we're holding one stop loss in entry. There's no risk at all. So we're in, baby. We're in, baby. So let's see. So yeah, guys, just wanted to give you a quick update while I was actually busy doing my journal and stuff. If you have to look at it, guys, look at the time right now. It is 12:40, and look at the market, what it's doing right now. It's actually approaching our TP. So we're just quickly waiting for 3:30, see how the market will react. But meanwhile, we're still holding, guys. We're still holding. We're approaching TP, but currently right now it is just consolidating a bit. But however, we'll see how the market actually reacts. All right, clean, guys. We hit our take profit, guys. Clean. As you guys can see. Clean job. So yeah, guys, what I'll be doing is I'm just gonna jump onto the webcam so we can analyze and see what's happening, how we see the charts where it is right now, so we can look for further opportunities, because our take profit got hit, guys. Hooray! Our first win for the challenge. Hooray! But anyways, yeah, let's just get straight to it. See if we can get some buy opportunities, because we're soon landing into our buy fair value gap. So let's just see what the market is doing, then I'll update you guys. But anyways, let me just jump to the webcam. Okay, guys, yeah, so let's just jump straight to it. As I told you guys right now that we hit take profit. Boo. So yeah, take profit got a hit. That's our initial take profit. This was our TP1, TP2, and an initial take profit. Got hit, and the market is still pushing further down. And if we go further more to the left, we see this target, which is my main target, got hits. Let's see if we. All right. So now, since I got that fair value gap on a larger time frame. I forgot. Was it the daily time frame? Please remind me. Oh, okay. As you can see, we did tap in the fair value gap, guys. We did tap in the fair value gap. So now we going to be looking for reversals. We will be looking for reversals because we're in the fair value gap. As you can see, um, we tapped below this low over here. So what we will do is wait and see if today will the market close below this low, having closure below or above. If it's above, we might be interested for buys. That's only if we see that the market is reacting the way we would like it to react. Yeah, we can't really say, yeah, let's buy now, let's buy now. No, 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 no. The same way we waited for this trade for almost like a day or two is the same way we're gonna wait for a good opportunity. Let's go to 5 minutes. Let's see what's happening. All right, cool. So we didn't that you see, guys, what I said. I was expecting the market to push up, then hit that fair value gap and push down, but that didn't happen. You see how things play out. You don't predict the market. React from the market, guys. That's one big advice I'll give to you, is that don't predict, but react to the market, guys. But anyways, I'll be more happy if it comes to this one, since this is the fair value gap that actually broke this high, but the market can still react to this one. So now it's all about the waiting game. We've got our fair value gaps there. Okay, let's delete this one so we don't get complicated. Make things easier. There we go. Oh, let's see. While waiting, let's see how much we made. Right now, we're on 2,000 Rand, guys. Not bad at all. Not bad at all, guys. Not bad at all.
So yeah, guys, as you guys seen, we took a lovely trade today. Really done some money. It's not really bad. Even was studying, learned some new things, But yeah, man, as I was saying earlier on, like, guys, make sure, man, that you discipline yourself. As like right now, I just bagged, hit TP, but I'm not freaking out. I just even decided to take a walk. So as you can tell right now, I'm just taking a walk in my neighborhood, getting some fresh air. Been a good day. Why should I even stress? There's nothing to stress about, but just relax and have fun. Guys, if you put your heart into something, always do it, man. Don't let anybody stop you from what you want to do. Always push yourself to that limit, and don't let anybody stop you, because you only live once. End of the day, only live once. But hey, yeah, shame, I'm out of breath, guys. I'm out of breath. I'm actually thinking that I'm not fit. I need to do something about that. Since it's winter, I cannot, go out in the mornings and the afternoon and start jogging. Probably, yeah. I think I need to start doing that, because hell nah. God damn, I'm exhausted. The vlogs that are coming up soon, guys, this month is going to be a hectic one. It's going to be a lovely one. So make sure that you're already subscribed. Make sure that you hit the bell notification button so you can get notified every single time I drop. Because, guys, you don't want to miss this one. You don't want to miss. Don't want to miss, bruh. Because it's going to be late. But anyways, I'll check you guys. So yeah, guys, while editing the video, I just realized that some of these videos got corrupted. So I just want to quickly give you an update on what's happening. So yeah, guys, after we saw that, after we got our TP from selling from gold, we did come to our first fair value gap, and we can see that the market is actually respecting this fair value gap. We don't know if it's still going to continue to respect it and push further up. However, we did take some buys. This, guys, it's actually not the trade I was looking for. It's a bit of a riskier trade, because we've got another fair value gap right below, which I'm going to show you right now. We've also got this fair value gap here, so the markets can still push furthermore to the downside, then from here push up. So the trade that I took in there, it's actually a risk trade. It's a risky trade, but I'm in.
So anyways, guys, let me finish off editing this video. This is the last clip that I'm gonna put on, then export and upload so you guys can watch it. But yeah, guys, if you are here until now, make sure to comment gold just to see if you guys are here until the end. Comment gold, 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 gold on the comment section just to see that you were here until the end. But guys, end of the day, thank you so much for watching this video. It's a boy Papa Beast, and I'll be with you guys hopefully tomorrow again, because I'm trying to push it on a daily basis. But yeah, let me get to work, finish the editing, put the last clip, and send it over to you guys so you guys can carve. Anyways, Kruger, blessings away.